forever, literally forever, since I have been in front of the camera. I've been taking a break and just trying to like do things that I love and enjoy, and just, you know, just re-energize, because life has been life, which I'll do a video on it. We'll talk about it. But anyways, one thing that I love to do is travel, and I had a 4-day work, wait, what? 4-day work? No, I had a 4-day weekend. So I was just like, I need to get out of Atlanta. I need to travel. I need to see a new place and do new things. So I'm in Charleston this weekend, and I figured I'd vlog it. I'm probably not going to talk a whole lot in this video, just because like I want to actually experience and enjoy my vacation. But I don't know, we'll see how this vlog goes. Honestly, I haven't vlogged in a minute, so I'm probably a little rusty. Okay, so don't come for me if I am not a good vlogger right now, because like I said, I have not vlogged since, I don't even remember the last time I vlogged, especially vlogged travel, which is always difficult, because it's like you want to enjoy what you're doing, but then you also want to like capture stuff for y'all so that y'all can like experience it too. But yeah, anyways, that's that. I feel like I'm just blabbing per usual. My hair is in faux locks. They're like the Bobbi Boss, some kind of faux locks, I don't know. Just because I haven't been feeling like doing my hair lately. I've just been kind of bored with my hair, so, or bored and annoyed, so I just put it up into these like faux locks, and they're crochets. They literally took like 2 hours. Who's calling me? Oh shoot. Hey. All right, I'm coming. All right, bye. But anyways, we are at the Park Place Diner. I don't really know the name of it, but we're here for brunch because it's currently 12 o'clock. So yeah, this is like one of the top places in Charleston for brunch per a bunch of articles online. So yeah, we're about to eat brunch, probably go bike riding later on, explore the city, go to the beach, you know, just have a good time. Yeah, our table's ready, so I'm gonna go sit down and eat. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog.
You're doing a whole lot.
It's actually really good. I didn't think I would like it. This is so good. No, this is so good. I doubted you, but it was amazing. It's amazing.
Have you guys ever been to Harbinger Cafe?
No.
Are you from here?
No, we're from Atlanta.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, a good spot to go, Harbinger Cafe. It's literally like 2 blocks away. They specialize in like a bunch of vegan, vegetarian, like healthy, hippy-dippy kind of like breads and pastries and salads. One of my favorite spots. That's where the bread comes from.
So this is this vegan bread?
The bread is vegan, but the French toast is not.
Okay, because of the egg.
Yeah. But dude, I'm so glad you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Can't stop thinking of your diamond
So it took us 2 hours to get here. The GPS said it was only gonna take us 1. So we tired. And the bike place closes at 7, so pretty much we're only here for like 20 minutes and then we have to turn back around and take the bikes back. So yeah, but the view is beautiful. And yeah, can't say it was worth a 2-hour bike ride, but you know, we learned our lesson.
Thank you.